A gentle hum, a quiet space before the world revealed its face. Sleeplessly sleep, a muffled deep, secrets the silent waters keep. Just a whisper barely heard, awaiting unassuming word. The edges blur, a hazy hue, like morning mist before the dew. But something stirs, a subtle plea, a silent pulse inviting me to turn a dial, to find a key to what's beyond, to what could be. Oh, the ambient filter sweep, waking senses from their sleep. A slow reveal, a shimmering climb, lost in frequencies, lost in time. Expanding light, a cosmic hum, from quiet depths the echoes come. Ambient filter sweep, taking hold, a story only sound can unfold. My breath slows down, a gentle tide, the sonic landscapes open wide. Weightless now, I start to drift, a sudden sweet melodic gift. Every thought begins to fade in the sonic journey we have made. The colors brighter, sounds alive, in this ethereal realm we thrive. The atmosphere begins to glow, a secret path my senses know. I feel the change, a steady rise, reflected in my open eyes. Oh, the ambient filter sweep, waking senses from their sleep. A slow reveal, a shimmering climb, lost in frequencies, lost in time. Expanding light, a cosmic hum, from quiet depths the echoes come. Ambient filter sweep, taking hold, a story only sound can unfold. It's not just sound, it's a vibration, a moment of pure revelation. A touch of magic, soft and slow, watching the spectrum ebb and flow. From muted whispers to full-bloomed, dispelling shadows in the room. And then when the dial begins to fade, a quiet promise softly made. Oh, the ambient filter sweep, waking senses from their sleep. A slow reveal, a shimmering climb, lost in frequencies, lost in time. Expanding light, a cosmic hum, from quiet depths the echoes come. Ambient filter sweep, taking hold, a story only sound can unfold. Fade to soft, a lingering haze through all my future nights and days. The memory of that perfect sound, where clarity could still be found. Ambient filter sweep, in my heart the secrets keep. Sound.